Hey there, learners. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, we have come up with a new project developed in Core Java by using the concepts of OOP, swing, and event handling. This is a marksheet generation system developed in Java for you guys. I hope you like it, and let's get tuned in with this project. Firstly, let's load this project. This is the admin login panel where you have to enter the admin ID followed by the password. You can see a pop-up message of login successful. Now, this is the main home screen of the project where you can see student tab, subjects, marks, mark sheet and the help tab. So, we are going to take a look at all of these tabs one by one, starting with the student. Here, you can see a add student tab, which means you can add a new student with all its entities that you have. First, you enter the roll number, the student name, mother's name, gender, followed by the address, the phone number, the email ID, you can select the branch, the year in which the student is studying, the division, and the birth date. Now you can save the record and you can see a pop-up message that student record is saved. Now you can also enter the student name and try to search for it by using the search button. Here you can see all its records. Also, if you want to update some of these entities, you can just update it like this. Now we will move ahead towards the subjects, where you can see that you are allowed to manage the subjects. Now you can either add a new subject here, or you could delete, or you can also update and search for it. For example, now we are entering the database management subject. We select the branch, the year for the subject is, and the type of exam that we will be conducting. You enter the maximum marks and the minimum marks for this subject. When you hit save, the subject gets added successfully. Here, we are trying to search a subject which is Java programming, and you can see the maximum and the minimum marks here. If you wanted to update it, you can update. If you wanted to delete it, you can just go and delete it. Here is the marks tab where you can see the update marks option. Now you can just enter the student ID and just search for that student. You can get all the subjects that he has been going through. You can give him the internal marks, the external marks that he has scored. Likewise, you can add all the internal marks and the external marks for all his subjects. Now, when we save this record, all these marks get saved. We'll try to search the same record again. And now you can see the updated marks for that student's subjects. Now let's move ahead and take a look at the mark sheet. Now you can enter the student ID and you can get all his information and all the marks that he has scored in this subject. You can also see the total marks and the class that he has scored. So this was the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like and share with your friends. And in case if you want to purchase this project, please check the description box below. Like always, keep learning, keep evolving. God bless. Take care. Goodbye.